Paulie! Hey, yo, Paulie. Come on, man. We're going to go get a slice of pizza at the pizza shop, all right? All right? Come on, let's go. No, you know what? I am going to make my own pizza. I never did it before, but I think I got the gist of it. Come on, let's go.
You're checking out Ovid Paulie.
Okay, guys, let's get to it. All right, the first thing that we're going to do is get out a bowl, which I have right here. And then we put in about 2.5 cups of flour. Now this right here is bread flour. You can use all white, all-purpose flour, but for today I'm using bread flour. Also, you need to have some active dry yeast. Put some yeast in there. That's about a teaspoon. 2 teaspoons of sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then you just dry whisk it up. Okay, now we add 2 tablespoons of oil. This right here is actually olive oil. Then you put in a cup of warm water. This right here activates the yeast. So you put it in gradually, okay? And you stir it around so we can activate that yeast. We put some flour over the surface so okay, so you knead it, and then when you're finished, you basically form it into a ball, like so. Okay, next thing we're going to do is to proof the dough. And how we do that, we basically take a bowl and just slather up the bowl with some olive oil. Now the reason why I'm doing this is because while we're proofing it, it won't stick to the bowl so easily. Okay. Take our dough, place it in there, and we cover our bowl with some saran wrap. Now for the pizza sauce, I actually purchased the Hunt's whole plum tomato naturally steamed peeled whole plum tomatoes. Tomatoes, they look like testicles. But this right here, you would definitely want to use. You can get this at your local Walmart. Doesn't cost that much, and it will definitely do the job. Okay guys, this right here is called a pizza stone. This right here is a very important piece to the puzzle in making a New York style pizza. This right here, it ensures that the browning of the crust underneath the pizza is perfect. So this is something that you would definitely want to invest in. I'll actually leave a link at the bottom where you can purchase a pizza stone like this. Okay, now that we have the pizza stone in the oven, we have to preheat the oven. I basically put it on the highest that we can go, and my oven actually goes up to 550 degrees. So we leave that on for probably about an hour because we want this oven to get piping hot. It has nothing to do with the oven temperature. We want that stone to get hot. So when it reaches your top heat, the stone is basically going to double in heat. So the stone will probably get, I don't know, maybe 700, 800, 900 degrees. And that's how high you want it, because actually New York style pizza shops their ovens start at 1,000 degrees. So we're just trying to emulate that because, you know, we only have a home oven. So, like I said, put your oven up to the highest you can go and leave it on for at least an hour, okay? I know that's a little crazy. Some of y'all like, oh, I want my pizza now. But believe me, if you want to do it the right way, this is what you do, all right? Okay, now since I got the tomato sauce open, we're going to add some special things to it. But in the meantime, okay, we're gonna take a little less than a quarter cup of sugar, some olive oil. This right here, if anyone knows oregano, just get some oregano and smell it. What's gonna be the first thing that comes to your mind? Pizza. So we're gonna put some of that in there. The garlic clove. We add some more olive oil. We add our garlic. Okay, now we're going to add the tomato sauce in the pan. Some more oregano. So let that actually simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. And now since that's about done, now we are going to work on the mozzarella. Okay, y'all, let's see how the dough came out. Whoa, look at that. Already doubled in size. This right here is called a peel. This is what you see the pizza man put the pizza in, slide it off, and, you know, and take it out of the oven and all that. So this is basically what it is. It's called a pizza peel. What we're going to do first is put some cornmeal on it. Now, basically what that's going to do is make sure that the when you put down the dough, that it doesn't stick to the peel. Also, it gives a great texture underneath of the pizza, and it also tastes great. So as you see, is the dough. Split it in half to make 2 smaller balls. We're gonna basically just stretch it out. You know, just do 3 and 11 o'clock. 3 and 11 o'clock. Just stretching it out. Add the sauce. So, you know, as they say, start out in the middle, work your way out. Evenly, roundly. Then we add the cheese. All right. I think that sucker is ready to go in the oven. We make sure we shake this a little bit to make sure that when we get ready to put it on the stone, that it slides off easily. All right. There we go. Okay, so it shouldn't take more than 5-6 minutes for it to cook. Wow, look at that dough rise. Oh yeah. Now that's like an extra cheese pizza right there. Okay guys, you see the pizza? Came out pretty good, but let's taste it. That's what you call piping hot.